What up, YouTube? Give y'all an update on these pups. Everything's looking good. We got 21 pups total out of 3 litters. Amilli's pups got their eyes open. At a week ago, they walking around and everything. It's crazy. Look at that little fella. Look at that mean mug. That's a female. All right, so I got a few lock-ins on these pups. So availabilities looking. Pigs are starting to get slim. Yeah, pigs are starting to get slim. I still got a few left. We just had them out that was getting washed up, so I'm gonna let y'all see it. Top South Bullies. Everybody's full. Good baths. They're doing pretty good. You got the legs straight up in the air. It's crazy. That's a female. This little sable girl right there. That sister right here. They twins. This little try right there is a female too. She's real nice. First pick female out of that is already spoken for. Our second pick female. There's 3 girls right there on the screen. I think I'm leaning towards this black girl right here off Priceless. That's my keeper. I'm leaning towards this boy off Mocha. But I got second pick boy already. I already have a deposit on that, so. Yeah, I'll just let y'all check out the pups. I'm about to put them back in the areas. But everything's looking good. Priceless pups. 3 weeks. Mocha's pups are 2 weeks. And the Millie's pups are a little bit over a week. So they are about a week apart. $21.